To make this cream, we'll need a few key ingredients. First, we'll start with some distilled water or hydrosol. In this recipe, I'm using clove hydrosol because of its amazing benefits for acne-prone skin. Clove hydrosol is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Next, we'll add a quarter teaspoon of dragonfruit powder. Dragonfruit is not only delicious, but also great for your skin when used topically. Dragonfruit is rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, which can help promote a healthy complexion and provide nourishment to your skin. Give it a little mix. If you notice any clumps, don't worry. Simply place the container in a pot with an inch of water on low heat and stir continuously until the clumps dissolve. Now let's move on to the rest of the water phase. In a new container, we'll add DL Panthenol powder. If you have the liquid form, you can use that instead. DL Panthenol, also known as Pro Vitamin B5, is a fantastic ingredient in skincare. It helps moisturize and soothe the skin, reducing redness and irritation often associated with acne. Next, we'll add some Vegetable Glycerine. Glycerin is a humectant, which means it helps draw moisture to the skin and keeps it hydrated. Mix the ingredients together until you have a slurry-like consistency. Now, let's incorporate our dragon fruit infused water into the slurry. Mix it all together until well combined. In a new container, we'll add our oil portion. We'll start with shea butter, a fantastic ingredient for acne-prone skin. Next, we'll add our BTMS, which will help emulsify our lotion and create a smooth texture. Followed by Cetearyl Alcohol, which acts as a thickener for our cream. And finally, we'll add sunflower oil, another great ingredient for acne-prone skin. Sunflower oil is lightweight, meaning it won't clog pores. It's also rich in vitamins and fatty acids, which help to soothe and protect the skin. Now it's time to heat things up a bit. Place both the water and oil phase containers in a pot with an inch of water on medium heat until the oil phase is fully melted. Once the oil phase has melted, pour the water phase into the oil phase and blend everything together using a hand mixer for approximately a minute. And voila, your cream should now have a smooth and creamy consistency. Now we just need to let it cool down to room temperature. Remember to check in every now and then and give it a little stir. Once the cream is cooled down, we can add our temperature-sensitive cool-down ingredients. This includes the preservative, which will ensure the cream stays fresh, and Hydrolysed Collagen. Hydrolysed Collagen has been shown to improve the skin's hydration, promoting a youthful and healthy appearance. Give it a good stir until all the ingredients are well combined. Now that it's done, it's time to transfer the cream into a clean and sanitized container. If you find the mixture is too thick, you can reduce the amount of BTMS and cetearyl alcohol used and replace it with more water. And there you have it, a homemade face cream specifically formulated for acne-prone skin. I hope you enjoy making and using this cream as much as I do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and DIY recipes. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of your skin and keep shining bright.